Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, we will be making not one but two recipes. And the recipes are going to be how to make Aloo Pakora. I'm going to show you two recipes, two ways you can make Aloo Pakora at home. The first recipe I'm going to show you guys to make our Aloo Pakora. So what we're going to do first of all, so these potato strips, they have been there at the moment, they're soaking in water. So what I'm going to do, just going to try and get them dry. So I've got a tissue. Yeah, so let's just put, so this is half a potato. I'll put the grams and all that in the description box. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this bowl. See, I'm going to transfer our onion. Again, these are thinly sliced. I've used about half an onion here. These are thinly sliced onion. Put that here. So first thing we're going to do, we're just going to spice up, put some flavouring into here. So add all your potatoes in there. Just make sure they're dry. That's great. Right, okay guys, so now we're going to start adding our spice. So first we're going to start off with is going to be our salt. So again, so add salt to your taste. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of, these are coriander seeds, crushed coriander seeds. Just a tiny bit more. And again, this is Ajwan seed. So just over half there. Okay, now we're going to get to the powder spice. So this is Amchoor. Again, 1 level of Amchoor's powder. Just over 1/4 haldi powder. Kashmiri, so this is Kashmiri red chili powder. So if you want to use chili powder, you can do. So this is Kashmiri, so we get some heat, but more we want is the flavour. Right, so here we go. So now I'm going to use 1 coriander. And about half of cumin powder. So what we're going to do now, guys, give this a quick mix. So now if you want to use the green chilli, you'll put it in now. I'm going to add the green chilli in later, just a couple for myself. And if you've also got fresh coriander, you can use a fresh coriander, you put it in now as well. So give you a really good mix. So the fresh coriander seed, they're going to make it really nice, guys. So just try not to skip that. Hopefully you've got them. Right, okay. That's all there. I'm going to transfer that. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to make our batter. So we need our gram flour. And again, what we're going to do, we're just going to slightly give this a bit of just some coriander. You can see that about 1/4. Not about, just do about half. Bit of haldi. And again, a bit of Kashmiri. Just want the batter to have some taste to it as well, a bit of flavour to it as well, other than just the gram flour. A tiny bit of baking soda. So again, what we're going to do now, add some water. Add water a bit at a time. And again, if you add too much water, like I've probably just done now, it doesn't matter because we can add more gram flour. Get rid of this, get this one in. We're just looking for it to take away all the lumps from the batter. That looks good. Right, okay. Right guys, so that's one batter done. We're going to use for our Aloo Pakora. So what we're going to do, we're going to get these ones dried off again. Alright guys, so it's time to spice up our Aloo Pakora for our second recipe. So again, what we're going to do is just add a bit of salt. Again, add salt to your taste. And this one's going to be a bit of haldi powder, a bit of Kashmiri rich red pepper, and I'm going to use also just a quarter. And again, about half of the... I'm just going to use my fingers now just to give it a quick... Just want the lightly coated so the idea is when we're ready to fry them, we're just going to dip them into here and then fry them. Well, there you go, they're nicely coated. Okay guys, so to get our batter ready for this recipe, the Aloo Pakora recipe this style, just need a bigger bowl. So I'm just going to put this in here and then start adding our gram flour and give it a mix. I'm going to add the gram flour a bit at a time, and again, we want to use it because I just want the gram flour just again. So we're looking for sticky consistency again. Quarter tablespoon to half of baking soda. Give it a mix. Right, then let's start adding some water now. So this one I'm going to add a bit of water, then I'm going to start adding more gram flour because I want the paste or the batter to be a bit. Just want a lot more batter actually. So when we make the Aloo Pakora, it comes out nice and crispy. So again, with these recipes, they are versatile. So if you want to add anything else in there, you can do. But this is generally how I would just make this. So now you can see they're quite nice and sticky. So what will happen is we can just add them on to the frying pan and it will just fry up nicely to make it nice and crispy. Alright, so there you go guys, I'm going to let that set for about 5 minutes while I get the frying pan ready. Okay guys, so we are ready to fry make our first onion, potato pakora first of all. So we've got our spiced or flavoured, shall we say, potatoes. All we're going to do now is just dip this in the batter. And then we're just like that. Then we're just gonna put it into, right. So the oil is warm, but it's not like piping hot. Because we want the potato to cook. So yes. Don't forget to like and comment on our videos, guys. Let us know what you think, which ones you've enjoyed, and if you're new to the channel, guys, please do subscribe. Move the camera for you if you can see. So this one's ready. When they are golden brown, just like as you can see in the video, that means your aloo pakora is ready. You can take them out and leave them on a kitchen towel just to soak up the oil. Alright guys, check it out. So these are our first recipe aloo pakora ready. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now, we're going to move on to our second aloo pakora recipe. So we've got our mixture here. So what you can do with these ones, if you want to, you can just lightly just do that. Well, get your oil to medium hot and then just dip them in. And again. So that nice and golden colour, golden brown colour. So this is ready. Alright guys, so I've got some left over. As we sort of said, I'm going to make this for myself. I'm just going to add some fresh green chilies. And then give it a mix while there. This is what our recipes are so diverse when it comes to Bangladeshi cooking, because you can simply just adjust it to your taste. Right, so this one's going to be nice. This one's going to be for myself, and I've got some green chili. And if you want to add some more red, you can add some red chili powder or some chili flakes in there. Loads of coriander. Absolutely amazing, guys. Just feel free to add that in there as well. So let's get back to and add our spicy chili ones in there. Right guys, so here's the fruits of the labour. So we have got our Aloo Pakora one style, and we've also got another style, the other style here. So check it out. It's nice and crispy. Got some This is the chili, sweet chili sauce, and I've got some ketchup here. Give it a taste. Really good, guys. Definitely give this a go. And just to show you the onion, the aloo pakoras as well, the other style. Let's see. Bit of ketchup on this one, maybe. Bang on. Right, so there you have it, guys. That was 2 recipes in one video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a go, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.